Hey, but whoa! One for the blooper reels. Oh, man. Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. That was way too exciting. Okay, we haven't poured over a vase in a while, not a regular vase that I get for 99 cents at Goodwill. It's a nice big one. It's sitting on a cup so that I can pick it up and move it aside when we're done pouring over it. I have a 10 by 10 canvas here, so we need 6.25 ounces of paint minimum. And we are still testing, oops, well, everything's happening here. We are still testing our Arteza pouring paints. So today, the colors we're using are titanium white, cerise pink, sea green, phthalo blue, and silver. So I'm going to layer my cup more than halfway to get our 6.25 ounces. We are going to pour over that. We are going to lift the vase off and then tilt the painting and see how it turns out. Here we go. Yeah, I don't want that. First paint in is usually the last, well, is the last paint out. So let's start with something other than white. I cleaned the vase with isopropyl alcohol, just spritzed it on and wiped it off with a paper towel. It gets all the oils from my fingerprints off and the grease pencil they used to mark the price on it at Goodwill. Okay, here we go, folks. Ready to turn it on? Yeah, okay. Well, we might need some more, huh? Let's put a little more in there. I guess it wasn't past the halfway mark after all. That's beautiful though. All right, a little bit more. Seriously? Just had a bug kamikaze right into it to get him out of there. Let's see where you go. Oop. We'll give it a few seconds to drip. love to pour some of this off. So there's extra on there. Okay. Put that off to the side. I will continue dripping even though I've touched the rims. It should be fine. And now we do it. Oh yeah, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Say it with me, everybody. Ooh. So pretty. All right, let me get cleaned up and we will go in for our close-up. All right, we're gonna start with our vase for our close-up. Here is one side. Here's another side. Really gorgeous. This is where I tipped off what was on the top, but it still looks beautiful. Here is our painting. Close-up of the right lower corner. Across the bottom to the left lower corner. I have the flash from the phone turned on because with the sunshine coming in the way it is right now in the afternoon, it's really hard to see the painting otherwise. Up the left side to the upper left corner. Isn't that gorgeous? The blue looks a lot bluer on the screen of the phone than it does in person. It's a much lighter teal. Across the top. I love the silver in there too. Isn't that beautiful? Upper right corner. And then down the right side. Oh, I love all of this. I love all of this. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay. Now we'll go for the whole picture. In focus would be good. There we go. There it is, folks. I'm going to bring you back tomorrow to see the dried painting and the dried vase. See how they turned out. So stay tuned. Hey buddy, we're back as promised. We have the dried painting and the dried vase. So let's look at the painting first. I think it's still really, really, really gorgeous. This paint doesn't dry exactly the same as, for example, the Artist Loft. It is a little glossy, but it is not super glossy like the Artist Loft or even the Deco Art ready mixed pouring paints get. But I love how this painting turned out. I mean, that is just beautiful. The silver, all the feathers, all the designs. Really, really, really gorgeous. Okay, and now here is our gorgeous vase. There's one side. I will turn it around for you. It is dry, but I don't really want to get my fingerprints all over it at this point. So I'm just going to turn it this way. But oh my gosh, look how beautiful that is. That's where the runoff was when I tipped a little off the bottom when it was the top. Oh my gosh, I am just in love with this vase and the painting. The painting will need to be varnished. The vase will need to be resined. I will save that for another day. But I am just so very happy with how these turned out. So that's a huge thumbs up for me for the Arteza pouring paints over a vase and onto a canvas. Thanks everyone. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.